To take apart the infotainment system, in the center console here, you have two 10mm screws. There's a lid here. It's got a little notch right there. You pop it out with a flathead screwdriver. You unscrew these 10mm bolts. That's step one. Step two, under here on the driver's side of the steering wheel, you have these plastic panels. You start from back here, unhooking them all the way to here. Don't take these out because these are screwed from the inside. You have two 10mm screws, one here, one here. Same thing on the other side. There's only one screw on the other side. Start from the front here and pull it back on the other side. So you have a total of 5 screws to take out. And then what you want to do is go in the back seat and lift it up and then disconnect all your connections. You want to pull this that way a couple inches so it dislodges from here. You have 2 connections here in front and 3 connections in the back. This is what the interior or the underside of the whole console looks like. This is the connection, the rotating connection for the gray terminal, simple white terminal, and right down in here for your center control knob is that gray connector. So you'll need a pair of needle nose pliers, and you might need some kind of cell phone camera or a second person with assistance to connect this if you're replacing that center control knob. So first connection we're going to make is the center control. Right there is the connection. This is the longest wire. Make sure you got the correct side. Bájalo.
Por ahí.
You want to hear it click. The last one is this white clip right here. The easiest way to put all these together is from the back side of the car. There's 2 more connections here in front.